Can I get a thumbs up if you're doing good today, and a thumbs down if you're doing bad? Bruce, how you doing today? Double, one thumb, one thumb down. I guess you're okay. How are you doing today? You're doing good? Okay. Oh, one up and one down. How about you? Oh, you're having a bad day? You're having a good day or a bad day?
Good day.
And Julian?
Good day.
Good day. So everybody, please go to Nearpod, and we will begin our class. Chris, can you just make sure you can be my camera guy? Okay. Here we go. Why isn't one working? Okay. So, the first thing I want you to do today is I want you to write something, or you can put a picture or a GIF on the site about something that you learned in my class. I'll give you 1 minute. You just write a couple of words here and it will show up here, and then we can talk about it. Okay? Go. So the code is 98. Here's the code. Good. And just write something you want. Or you can put a picture. But please make the picture appropriate for the classroom. Okay, Bruce. Bruce wrote the Treaty of Versailles. Why is that important about this unit, Bruce?
Since the Treaty of Versailles caused World War II, that's one of the reasons.
Okay. Do you think it was fair or unfair to Germany?
I won't say it's fair, but if I'm the England or French, I will not give the Germany and then Chinese students.
Good. Okay. This is what we're going to be doing today. Number 1, we did a review quiz. So you put your answers here. Everybody did a good job. You told me something that you learned in my class. Number 2, we're going to watch a video, and you're going to answer some questions from the video. So I need you to pay attention to the video. Then we're going to use graphic organizers to do a little bit of research. Then we're going to listen to a radio broadcast, and then you're going to begin your project-based learning, which is going to be about 25% of your final grade. And then we'll do a quiz on the way out, and that'll be that. So, you see these blue circles? Each blue circle is a question. Okay. The video will stop. You will answer a question, and then we will continue. You want to look at it again? Back it up. So what did you see in that picture? There are no wrong answers. Anything you can remember in that picture would be okay. Thumbs up if you're good. Thumbs down if you need more time. Good?
It's not ready.
It was called Operation Jubilee, but today it's better known as the disaster at Dieppe. Britain's raid on the German-held coast of France in the Second World War was supposed to test Hitler's Fortress Europe. The goal was a simple one: seize a major port, gather intelligence, destroy critical defenses, then get out. But none of those objectives was achieved.
Okay. Who was the man in the picture? Was it Bruce?
Churchill.
Winston Churchill. That's okay. That's not. Don't feel bad, because you don't learn this when you're in primary school, middle school, or even high school. So maybe this is the first time you've seen this man's picture. So don't feel bad. But yeah, Bruce, you're correct. It's Churchill. Is today you're going to be doing some research on an event that happened in the Second World War. You can talk about anything you want. It doesn't have to be in Europe. If you want to talk about Nanjing, you can talk about Nanjing. Shanghai, you can talk about Marco Polo Bridge, okay? anything that makes you feel interested about World War II, you can talk about. But it has to be an event. Okay? Does everybody have a pencil? Nope. Can you go to your desks and get a pencil? Okay. I'm going to give you a paper. Now, this is what I want you to do. In the middle, you have a circle. That's going to be your big idea, your event. And then you're going to write 5 different things to support the event. Okay? You can copy online, it's okay. It's not that kind of an assignment today. Okay? Please don't close your Nearpod. We're going to use it a little bit later. Here we go. Can you take one paper and pass it down? So open on the tab. Thank you. Good, I just had enough. And if you're having some trouble finding information, here are some good websites that you can use to get started. Okay. So you have, from the UK, you have the War Museum in the UK. You have Wikipedia. This is not an academic exercise, so Wikipedia is okay. World War II Online and History.com are American sites. You can get the American perspective. Warmuseum.ca is a Canadian website. You can get a Canadian perspective. And the Australian War Museum can give you the Australian website. I tried to find Chinese websites, but it was very difficult for me. They don't have the same kind of websites like they do in Western countries. So if you want to use Baidu and then find Chinese information and change it into English, that's okay too. Ten minutes. What's your topic?
Iwo
Iwo Jima?
Jima.
That's a good topic. There's a lot of information online about this.
So any fun part like
Any 5 things you want to say about the Battle of Iwo Jima? What's your topic?
resistance against Japan.
Okay. That's a really big topic. Maybe you could break it down into something more manageable. Because that's 1937 to 1945. So that's a big topic. For example, you could talk about Nanjing, Shanghai, Marco Polo Bridge. Those would be smaller and easier to talk about. You're welcome. What's your topic?
I'm not sure.
We have 1 minute left.
Get your brains going, because what we're going to do next is the important thing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Good. Please go back to Nearpod. Again. Who do you think she is, or who do you think she was?
The president, I don't know how to
Not
the queen.
the Queen of England. Good. I like that you didn't give up. Yes. She was the Queen of England. Okay. When she was a teenager, the war was happening. She had a job. Her job was an ambulance driver. So she would take sick and hurt soldiers to and from the hospital. So I want you to close your eyes. Now, why do you think I wanted you to close your eyes? Why do you think? I didn't want you to watch the video. I just wanted you to listen. Why?
because at that time we could only hear the prince's voice from the radio.
Very good answer. Yes. There were TVs, but not many TVs. Most people got their news from the radio. And that's what we're going to do for our project. You are going to be radio hosts. Okay? Your job is to take what you've written down and make a 3 to 5 minute radio news piece. Okay? Now, I don't want you to work by yourselves. I want you to work as teams. So we're going to do teams of 2 and 3. 2. Actually, we'll do 2, 2, and 2 today. Okay? So you're going to take what you wrote and you're going to write a script. Okay? We're going to work, this is not for tomorrow, this is not for next week. This will be due in 1 month. So you guys have 4 classes at least to work on this. Okay? Next class, I will teach you how to write a radio script because I have some experience in this. Okay? So this is what we're going to do. So we'll do Bruce and Megan. You two can work together. Brucey, you can work with Jolene. And Chris, if you're feeling better next week, you can work with Thomas. Okay? Okay. So, you're going to get into